am so freaking proud of myself. I'm at this park in Gwinnett. I'm gonna show y'all. It's so pretty. But there's like a little trail like over there. Oh God. Y'all will see the vlog because I'm posting this bitch. I might edit it tonight because I'm off tomorrow. So I'm like, I would like to post it tomorrow. Like, I'm just really proud of myself. Like, I talked about a lot of deep and heavy shit in that video. And oh my God, it just felt amazing. And I was scared I was going to be like nervous. And it's like, bitch, for what? And as soon as I turned on my camera, like everything just went away. And I feel like so much like myself today. And like, I don't even feel like the me I was. Like, I feel like the me I'm like meant to be now. And that feels so good to freaking say because I was lost for a long time. So I just feel really good. I'm a little high. The sun is like going down over there. And I feel amazing and I'm proud of myself.